friends? It's your girl Braylyn J. Thank y'all for tuning into another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome friend. And make sure you comment, like, and share. And hit that bell button so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a new video. In today's video, we're going to be creating a custom blue wig using Jai.Santana hair collection, which is my hair collection, so make sure y'all check it out at www.jai.santanallc.com. So the first thing you'll need is the dome cap. I always get my dome caps from the beauty supply store. You can go to your local beauty supply store and get a mesh dome cap, and that'll work perfectly for this project. Now friends, when y'all doing this stuff and you putting these T-pins on this wig cap, make sure you pull the wig, stretch it a little bit, and put the T-pins down so that way the wig can fit on a nice size head. Now using those same T-pins, we got clipped on the closure so it can be secure. Make sure you do all 4 corners of the closure. Now with the silver Sharpie pen, we're going to create our line. Oh my god, when I tell y'all it's so hard to find these Sharpie pens, I was looking all over. I think it was just my boyfriend getting me the wrong pens. I had white and I had a freaking charcoal pen at one point, y'all. Make sure y'all go to the nearest Office Depot to get the Sharpie pens. That's like the easiest way to get it. Oh my gosh. Now, as you can see, we getting into the fun part. This is my favorite part of making a wig. Using my machine. I got my brother's machine. I think I got it from Joanna's fabric store. Yes, it was like $150. In this video, I'm not going to get too deep into how I use my sewing machine because eventually I'm going to make a video explaining everything, how I set it up and all of that. So just stay tuned for that video if you want to know how I use my machine and set up my machine. So now that the wig is finished, it's time to finally put the color on it. I'm going to do the water dye method, y'all, because it's one plain color. You feel me? I'm going to just keep it simple, keep it easy. Boil some hot water, in a pot. Put the blue dye in there, and then we go dip that thing. I always like to make sure that I pluck my closure and the front of my wig and my part just because it gives it a more natural look. You always want your wig to look natural. You want that part to be defined. You want the tint under it, whatever your skin tone is. You want to match it as much as possible as you can to your skin tone. And just pluck as much as you can, Don't make it bald, but make it as natural as your part looks or as natural as another part that you would like it to look like. You feel me? So just pluck away. Glam friends say what? Yes. I'm so excited, y'all. This blue turned out so pretty. The curls are so pretty. The wig is just bomb. I love the color. It's so dope, y'all. I'm so excited how everything turned out. If you like this video as well, make sure you give it a thumb up. And if you don't still give it a thumbs up, make sure y'all like, comment, share this video. And thank y'all so much for tuning in.